for watching this video, and I hope you're going to like this video. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. So, bye!
Hi mga besh, good afternoon. I hope you're all doing well. Late na masyado yung vlog namin mga besh kasi ako at si Habi buong araw masakit yung ulo namin. So nasa bed lang kami and we actually sleep. Si Camilla lang yung naiwan mga besh. Nasa ano lang siya, nasa living room and with computer. I know hindi maganda pero wala kami magawa mga besh. Ay, ang sakit talaga ng ulo namin since I had it in the morning until now. Actually now a little bit better. So gagawa kami ng our first meal of the day, which is last size na actually. Ayan mga besh, 6 p.m. na. So this is our first meal of the day kasi well, we had our breakfast and ito na yung lunch, dinner namin mga besh. Kasi nga masama yung pakiramdam namin, pati si Habi. But Camilla is fine. She's not sick at all. So gumagawa kami ng chicken wrap. Ito siya mga besh kasi si Camilla gusto niyang kumain ng ganito, this one. Kasi naano naman siya, na-inspired na naman siya sa TikTok, I think. Itong wrap. So we're going to have a chicken wrap. Oh, hala!
Why am I doing this? It was your fault.
Natagak besh ang ako ang utap. Natagak besh.
You know what?
That was my fault. Natagak siya mga besh.
It's okay.
It's okay, exactly. Anyway, sana ko sabi ko na gumagawa kami ng chicken wrap, which is Camilla ano na naman yan, na-inspired siya sa kanyang TikTok. So it's a wrap with chicken. I'm going to fry chicken and then vegetable actually. That's it for our first meal of the day. And then maybe later on, gagawa kami ng mas kabiyo rasen?
Churros.
Yeah, we're going to make churros later mga besh. And then manood ng movie. So that's it. Yung
Can you help me?
you can do it. So
Oh,
fry ko muna yung chicken mga besh. So ayan na yung chicken natin mga besh. Frying na. It's actually very simple na dinner namin mga besh. Kasi wrap lang and then chicken and then vegetable and that's it mga besh. Pangmadalian lang mga besh. Ayan na yung dinner namin mga besh. Chicken, fried chicken and then salad, tomato, and then wait, den andra på engelska. Where is the cucumber? Yan mga
right
besh.
here,
My
Mama.
cucumber. Yes, you have it. And then wrap and then beach.
Aren't we going to do bacon?
Just det, jag glömde det. Ska vi göra det?
Yeah, because I want it in my sandwich. I'm gonna do bacon with cheese. It's so delicious.
Vadå?
Bacon with cheese.
Okej.
I'm gonna do that. And no grönsaker, no.
Okay mga besh, gawin din natin yung bacon ni Camilla. Ito yung bacon niya mga besh. It's sige na, pato na bacon. Kalkon bacon, pato. Ano yung pato sa atin mga besh? Hindi ko alam ano yung pato, comment below. So gawin ko yan mga besh kasi gusto niya ng bacon sa kanyang wrap. So ayan na mga besh, tapos na yung kalkon bacon ni Camilla. So kain tayo. Kando siya kain tayo?
Kain tayo.
Ayan, kain. Ayan ang mga besh, ito yung sa akin. I have the chicken, avocado, cucumber, salad, and tomato. And that is Habi. And Camilla will only have bacon and then cheese.
My wife, the rapper.
Bacon and cheese lang yung kay Camilla mga besh. So ayan. Ayan. How do you fold this? You fold this like this. Like that.
No, not like that.
Sluta. Then like that. And then, yeah, that's it.
Just to
Yan yung
make
mga besh.
sure,
Ayan.
just to so it
Kain.
doesn't fall and not
Yeah, and it's full.
Yeah, it's will fall.
Well,
Kain. Say kain na Kling.
Kain.
Kain.
Salamat ulit.
Ayan mga besh, kakatapos lang namin ng kumain. And then now, I already finished editing my vlog. It's bag review actually. Pakita ko mga besh. Ayan mga besh, up na yung ating Prada review and comparison na vlog mga besh. Sana watch kayo. Bakit parang ang tamlay kong magsalita? Pasensya na mga besh, ay walang energy. But anyway, maya-maya gagawa na kami ng churros ni Camilla. Ayan. Hi.
I was playing Gacha Life.
What?
I'm playing Gacha Life.
What is this? What is this?
Stop! Gacha Life is like you can make your own character.
Yes. You like it?
Yeah, you can do like your own story.
Okay. So, chill-chill lang kami mga besh. Walang magawa. So, computer for me and Camilla, iPad for her. And then soon we will going to make our churros. Hello, Cheyenne.
Yep. Delicious.
It's our actually first time to make churros. So, we'll see how it will turn out mga besh. Titingnan ako ng mga recipe online. And then later on, baka manood kami ng movie. Today, I will not touch any book mga besh. As in, walang school today. We're not going to talk about school. It's my off from school. Pero tomorrow, it's Sunday. So, I need to read again kasi sa Monday, may presentation ako. And then Tuesday, meron akong lecture and seminarium. So, I need to read another book na naman mga besh. But today, no book. It's free book today mga besh. As in, yung mga ginawa ko today is only actually rest lang and then tulog and then computer, ganun lang. And like I said earlier, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam namin but I'm much better. Pero meron pa rin akong headache kaunti pero it's much better mga besh. Ayan mga besh, yung mixture namin sa aming churros and then when it has cooked a little bit, lalagyan na namin ng harina mga besh. Hello Grace. Are you tired? We are making these churros at 9:20 ng gabi mga besh.
And we sleep 9. I'm so tired. I wanna sleep.
Okay, we sleep.
No!
Ayan mga besh, lalagyan namin yung harina. And then mix.
Ooh la la.
Mix siya yan.
I wanna mix with this. It's not so fun.
Satisfying.
No, I wanna mix with that one. With a spatula or what it's called.
Nefer and smelter. Ayan mga besh, tinanggal na natin siya sa stove. So, we're going to whip it with few of the eggs mga besh. So, gawin muna natin mga besh with egg. Camilla is mixing it now with the egg mga besh. Ayan. Struggle is real.
I'm not so good at all these. It's like 100 kilograms. I look like they're like this. These eggs are so. How you say this? So
Shock. Ayan na yung mix natin mga besh. So, ginagawa ni na Camilla yung dyan ilalagay ito. And then, meron siyang nilagay na parang ganyan mga besh. Para ipupush na lang yan mamaya pag magpa-fry na. Ang hirap mag-explain besh oil. So, lalagay natin yan. So, we make ready the oil na mga besh.
now you're like supposed to be like
Ang
this.
fatty pala ng pagkain natin mga besh. Ang daming butter and then may egg pa. Oh my god, hindi siya maganda kainin araw-araw mga besh.
It's ready, Mom.
Yeah, so you put it some.
I hope this won't break.
I hope so. So,
It's
ilalagay
not
ni
my
Camilla
fault.
dyan.
I made my best.
Ilalagay ni Camilla dyan. So, I make ready the oil. So, bro, good job.
I have seen these cake videos when they have these frostings, and I saw how you're supposed to do it.
Really?
Yeah, I've watched like this Sweet Tooth movie, and I'm really allowed to see that. Yes. It actually gave me the idea to do churros, and then I asked my mom, and she said yes. And then I asked my dad, and he said yes. Of course, if mom said yes, he said yes. She's
Really?
like the boss of him.
Who?
Mom. It's the boss of me. Oh my god.
What happened?
It's okay. I think so.
It's going to broke soon. We need to change it. Wait.
How
Wait
do
mga
I do
besh.
this?
Ayan mga besh, waiting tayo sa ating oil na mag-heat up. Yan yung mga churros kanina mga besh. Hindi ko na hinugasan mga besh. So waiting to this oil to get warm and then lagay na natin yung churros mga besh.
Säkert den är varm.
Prova bara. Ayan mga besh, we are
Sax mamma.
starting.
Sax.
Jo men inte ännu, lugn.
Vi ska testa lite
Gå
så.
ner, gå ner.
Okay, the inside. We behöver
First one.
We need a little bit warmer.
It's
Now-
okay, it's going to float Camilla when it's
Now
cooked.
we need something to take it grip.
Ayan mga besh, try muna namin ang apat how it will turn out mga besh.
This is not what I expected. Look at this. That one, it's like a crane. You can now old man can eat this. You have a crane now. You have a crane, and then you almost have a seat like this. Almost a seat.
Ayan na yung luto mga besh, and then here's the other one. And Camilla said it tastes good. Gawin na natin yung asukar and kanil bule. So, imimix natin dito and then lagay natin yung churros mga besh. Ayan mga besh, Camilla doing a taste test.
So it says you can try this. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thumbs up and a thumbs down. Good? Yes,
I
good.
will prefer not dark.
Okay. Dark chocolate, you mean? Andito yung akin mga best. This is the sugar and kanil. Iwan ko anong pangalan sa English yung kanil. So,
I want to try.
okay, try that one. Just it. Should be like that.
I need to find
And then,
okay.
dress.
Mm,
Okay, much better?
You gotta try this.
Okay. I'm going to try it. Good? Ayan na mga best. Husband is preparing it, dipping it in chocolate and also in
Okay.
I'm
sugar.
going to taste this.
Magish,
Right
magish.
there.
I want to taste a little bit.
De. Ne.
I want to lick it. Just lick it.
Yan na mga best.
I want to slick it.
Yan na.
Fine, I'm not going to do it.
Ito na yung tapos and then we are still going strong mga besh. Ayan na mga besh, yung ating churros with the chocolate and churros with the sugar. I prepare this one with the sugar mga besh kasi it's chocolate. Masarap siya. Ayan mga besh. Delicious. Ah! Sarap mga besh. It's a successful with our first churros making with Camilla. Thumbs up.
I actually like it. We combine them to chocolate.
Yes. This time, mga besh, maliliit yung nagawa ko kasi tininay ko yung isang form. So, yan. And then, I think almost the last one, mga besh.
It's so cute.
Ayan na yung the rest of our churros, mga besh. And it was successful. It is successful kasi yan. And then, chocolate. I'm not so fun with the chocolate. I prepared the sugar, mga besh. So, now, manunood na kami ng movie. I-end ko na yung vlog dito mga besh kasi manonood na lang kami ng movie and then we're going to sleep. So, salamat sa panonood ng vlog namin for today and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share and we say good night and see you next time.
Good night. See you next time.
And
And don't forget, you're not supposed to get wet clothes.
Come here.
So don't forget to smash the like button and hit the
Subscribe.
hit the subscribe button. So bye. See you next time. How do you call this? Yes, bye.